Goodwill brings to you the weekly updates of stock market for the first week of December. Plutus Wealth Management LLP bought 0.55% stake or 90 lakh shares in Bandhan Bank at an average price of 235.65 rupees per share. Bakery foods company Britannia Industries expects its cheese products business to grow around five-fold in the next 5 years to touch around 1,250 crore rupees. The company, which earlier this week announced a joint venture with the French cheese maker Bel, currently has around 250 crore rupees turnover from its cheese business, said its vice chairman and managing director Varun Berry on Thursday. Listed gaming startup Nazara Technologies Limited founder Nitish Mittersain has taken charge as the chief executive officer of the company from Thursday. The development comes after Nazara's former CEO Manish Agarwal stepped down from the post to pursue his entrepreneurial journey. Rail Delivery Group selects TCS to help create the UK government's rail data marketplace. The company is selected by Rail Delivery Group to design, develop, implement, and operate the UK's rail data marketplace. The contract between TCS and RDG is for a term of 6 years, including an extension term opportunity. Hornbill Orchid India Fund offloads nearly 1% stake in Eureka. Mauritius-based hedge fund Hornbill Orchid India Fund sold 97,000 shares or 0.97% stake in the B2C company at an average price of 518.32 rupees per share. Hornbill Orchid had held 1.44% stake or 1.44 lakh shares in the company as of September 2022. Wipro launches Wipro Data Intelligence Suite. The IT services company has launched Wipro Data Intelligence Suite running on Amazon Web Services, AWS. The suite offers reliable and secure means to migrate from existing platforms and fragmented legacy systems to the cloud. iShares Core Emerging Markets Mauritius company picks over 1.1% stake in Easy Trip Planners. iShares Core Emerging Markets Mauritius company picked more than 1.1% stake in an online travel company via open market transactions as it bought 24.82 lakh shares at an average price of 62.98 rupees per share. Ashish Kachalia picks 2% stake in Lakita Infrastructure. Ace investor Ashish Kachalia acquired 3.97 lakh shares, 2% stake, in the infrastructure company at an average price of 386 rupees per share. Himalaya Finance and Investment also bought 1.92 lakh shares at same price. However, promoter Srinivasa Rao Gadapati offloaded 7.79 lakh shares or 3.95% stake in the company at an average price of 386.88 rupees per share. Capri Global Holdings picks 0.86% stake in PC Jeweler. Capri Global Holdings bought 40 lakh shares in the jewelry company at an average price of 78.5 rupees per share, which is equivalent to 0.86% shareholding. NBCC received work orders to the tune of 271.6 crore rupees. The public sector, Navratna, has received work orders to the tune of 271 crore rupees for construction of balance works left out works of Amrapali Corporate Hub at Gurugram pertaining to Amrapali Group of Companies amounting to 42.4 crore rupees. HCL Tech has signed a multi-year contract with Switzerland-based maintenance, repair and overhaul service provider SR Technics to digitally transform its operations, the company said on Monday. Bajaj Finance has entered into a share purchase agreement to acquire up to 40% stake in Snapwork Technologies by way of primary and secondary transactions. The company intends to strengthen technology roadmap through this acquisition, which will be completed by December 2022. The acquisition cost is 93 crore rupees. Hero MotoCorp has decided to make an upward revision in the ex-showroom prices of its motorcycles and scooters, effective from December 1, 2022. The price increase will be up to 1,500 rupees and the exact quantum of increase will vary by specific models and markets. This will help the company offset any further cost impact and drive improvement in margins. Muthoot Finance will raise 300 crore rupees via public issue of secured redeemable non-convertible debentures of face value of 1,000 rupees each. The issue is with a base issue size of 75 crore rupees with an option to retain oversubscription up to 225 crore rupees aggregating up to tranche limit of 300 crore rupees. Talking about the market movers, we have Bullargat Technologies has moved up by 43.18% this week with a change of 4.02 points. It has traded with a net volume of 4,75,349 shares. The share is currently trading at the price level of 13.33 against the previous closing price of 9.30. Meanwhile, the share price is trading above its moving average 9.71, which is a good indication for the stock. The stock has made the highest move to 5.40 points this week. Bhandari Hosiery Exports has moved up by 39.58% this week with a change of 1.90 points. It has traded with a net volume of 22.867 million shares. The share is currently trading at the price level of 6.70 against the previous closing price of 4.85. Meanwhile, the share price is trading above its moving average 5.40, which is a good indication for the stock. The stock has made the highest move to 2.65 points this week. Trinity League India fell down by 21.8% this week with a change of 5.20 points. It has traded with a net volume of 6,371,000 shares. The share is currently trading at the price level of 18.65 against the previous closing price of 23.85. Meanwhile, the share price is trading below its moving average 20.70, which is bad indication for the stock. The stock has made the highest move to 5.20 points this week. Now, let's see Nifty and Bank Nifty movement and expectation. The Indian benchmark indices continued the gaining momentum for the second consecutive week and rose to fresh all-time highs in the week ended December 2 amid positive cues including softening global inflation, reopening of China and falling US dollar, crude and commodities prices as well as strong FII buying. Nifty added 183.35 points or 0.99% to close at 18,696.1. On December 1st, the broad-based Nifty hit their lifetime highs of 18,887.60. As traders booked profits in sync with the global market mood, the headline equity index Nifty formed a small red candle for the second consecutive day on the daily chart, indicating the resumption of minor profit booking in the market from all-time highs. The chart pattern remained positive with higher tops and bottoms, and even the momentum oscillator relative strength index and momentum indicator moving average convergence and divergence retained upward journey on the daily as well as weekly frames. Expansion in the hourly and the daily upper Bollinger Bands is supporting the price action on the way up. 18600 is a key support from where the index can start moving up again. Overall, the short-term outlook continues to be positive for a target of 19,000. In a strong uptrend, prices usually fluctuate between the upper band and the 20-day moving average. Bank Nifty opened above 43,500, the crucial resistance area, with nearly 300 points gains and hit a record high of 43,515. The index to resume the up move must surpass the level of 43,500 on the upside on a closing basis. The undertone remains bullish and one should keep a buy-on-dip approach with strong support at the 43,000 to 42,800 zone. You can contact us from the details mentioned on the screen via missed call, WhatsApp, or email. Thank you for listening the video to the end. Please do like, share, and subscribe the video for the latest updates in the market.